Hi, it's Adam Houston. I'm coming to you as always from the digital studios of Market Club, and we're looking at a market. We've looked at the Dow, we've looked at the S&P 500, now we're looking at the Nasdaq, and this is a very interesting pattern I want to show you and share with you today. Okay, going back to the July period, which is right here. This is 2008. And you can see I'm going to mark these, and I'm just going to put 1 here, 2 here, 3 here. And it's very similar, but on a tighter pattern. There's 1 here, 2 here, and possibly 3 right here. Now, if we put our trade triangles, and you see we're neutral on this market, but we're looking to get short. But this looks potentially like a very toppy action, much like this did. So we could possibly have the move down, test this low, come back up again, and have another move down. The one thing I'm looking at more than anything else are our trade triangles, because this really tells the story in an unbiased fashion. Regardless of what I think or anybody else thinks, the markets go with momentum and perception. And we're looking at our trade triangles. Let me just take everything off the screen first of all. And let me just put our trade triangles on. I'm going to click right here. That's our monthly trade triangles. This, you may remember, is what we use for our trend. So we have the monthly for trend and the weekly for time. And as you can see right here, the weekly is still green, meaning it's in conflict. So this is going high. This is going higher. The weekly is going higher, while the monthly is still pointing down. Now we put a larger weighting on the monthly than we do on the weekly. So we've got the monthly right here, and we had the monthly right here. So we had the move up, which it caught very nicely, and we had the move down, which it also caught very nicely. The thing is, what's going to happen now? And I also think it's going to revert back to the same pattern. This looks like a potential distribution top, similar to what happened here. And I'm just going to put these numbers in again for you, so you'll see what I'm talking. And that's how that's right up there, 2. And then 3 right here. Now if we go over this high here, then obviously that negates this type of pattern. But it looks to me like this market has had the stimulus, it's run out of steam, and we're seeing more and more negative news come out, which is eventually going to weigh on this market. And perception is we are going to go back down. Potentially, how far can we go? Well, that's anyone's guess right now. I think it's too early to call this, but the reality is we have a score of -75, meaning we're starting a downtrend. And if we get this to turn right here to a red triangle, this market's going to be in a lot of trouble. And I would say probably this level right here. If we go below this level right here, then we're going to be in a heap of trouble with this Nasdaq market. Hey, it's Adam Houston. Thanks for letting me share these ideas with you. I hope they're helpful. And remember, the triangles are neutral right now, but they're getting very close to turning around and going negative. So when that happens, be prepared. Thanks for stopping by, and every success using Market Club.